been an outstanding weekend on the farm. I got so much done and I'm excited to show you about it. I hope that if you are not subscribed to my channel that you will hit that subscribe button. Please like the video so that it'll spread to more people. And I just really appreciate your support for the farm. And here's our weekend. Good morning. It is 6:20 in the morning and it's a big day for the farm. Today we are headed out to go get the bees from the land where they've been in Royse City and move them to the farm in Nevada. Everything just fell into place. It's cool enough this morning. There's a truck available. I have help available. What would I do without my precious friends? And so that's what we're doing. I'm headed out. I'm going to hang out at the Buc-ee's until there's the slightest amount of light in the sky. Then I'm going to head over and close up all those beehives and get them moved. So stay tuned. Come this way a little bit. I can, let's move it forward a little bit. Yes.
Do you have shims?
Yeah, down in my car.
Okay. Well, we might want to level it up. You want to move purple over here, and then we'll.
Isn't it funny how they come out?
All right.
All right, so half of the hives are here, and I don't know how many bees are flying right in front of the lens, but there's bees all over the camera. There's bees everywhere. And we learned a few lessons, and I reinforced that I never want to move my bee yard again. We took the screens out of everybody, and we took the ratchet straps off of everybody. Half of them are here. We have 5 left to go. Yeah, and there's 5 sets of bricks. So they're not very happy with us right now. And we're just going to leave them alone. So there we go.